I hate it when people ask what sign I am. I'm obviously a sign from God. Welcome to Shave&Butcher with me, the one and only. Today will be the first shave ever with this razor. Well, this is the box, the original box. This is from France. It's a Tiers Issard. I've never used it before. It's been honed by Niklas. And this is a fameback, and the fameback. That's what it looks like. Quite nice. I haven't polished it or anything. Let's see what it says on here. Tiers Issard, number 69. Guarantee. Tiers Issard, and it says 55. Let's go, I don't know, lots of numbers. Let's see if it's any good. Another shave with the Peach Fairy from Grooming Cult. I have a synthetic brush today and I'll make sure I load properly. I didn't load quite the usual amount in the shit. Oh, got the box wet. Not in the way you think. The razor box. Anyway. So I'll synthetic and I'll load more soap and play around, have a bit of fun with it. Yeah, all good. My shoulder's still in trouble, still hurts, still pretty much can't raise my arm above my shoulder. Or above my head anyway. So gotta rest. Rest is all there is. It doesn't go away within another 2-3 days. I'm gonna try and get a shot of, what's it called? God, a shot of cortisone. I think cortisone is English as well, isn't it? So yeah, that's what we're doing. So no golf, no building anything. And today was a rainy day, so my wife and I took a drive in the car without destination, which is, you know, can be a bit frustrating, but my wife was bored. So we went for a ride and it was really nice. We ended up having lunch at a really cool place, not too far away from where we live. You know, we've only been here for 2 months, so we're still discovering the area and the neighborhood. We've had summers here, but then when we've been here for summer, we stay at the house and we go to the beach and, you know, just relax and take it easy. And now we decided we need to get to know the surroundings, and this place was half an hour away. And it was really cool. It was by a, not a river, but a rivulet. I think there had been a mill. It looked like an old mill of sorts. And it's farming territory, so probably a grain mill. I'm guessing now. And it was brilliant. I had a pulled pork burger, which, you know, is maybe not the healthiest thing out there. I'm holding my hand here, so I don't want to make too much of a mess on the floor, because this lather, right out of the gate, is just throwing itself everywhere. Throwing its arms around Paris, or legs, is it? Mercy. Yeah, it's already there. This soap is ridiculous. So that's good to shave with. We're not done, but it's good enough to shave with. Bloody brilliant thing. And there's more soap today, so that's good. Some people don't like it don't like leather when it flies around this much, but this one is so good. Donkey milk, silkworm cocoons, tallow, and jojoba oil, and just all kinds of goodness. So I'm lathering with my left hand that I usually am, and it's my bad shoulder, so it's takes a bit of time. I'm actually not going to push it more, but this is okay. One more time, one more coating of water. Why not? Come on. Putting cold water in today. It's literally everywhere. And a nice scent of ripe peach with a bit of other stuff. Yeah, now this base was brilliant 2 days ago, or was it yesterday? 2 days ago, I think, when I shaved with it. And really good for the skin, leaves you feeling brilliant. I had a bit of Tiers on. I think I'll do the same thing today, and that was it. And my skin was in excellent condition after that. That's all it needed. There you go. And I was just now I was watching the American Fever pitch with my son, and it's a cute movie, but the couple there, Drew Barrymore and Jimmy Fallon, they're not the best of actors, are they? God, I prefer the English version. There's an English film with Colin Firth called Fever Pitch, similar story sort of, but it's about Arsenal Football Club in England instead of Red Sox baseball, which the American film is about. And it's loosely based on a book by Nick Hornby. He was an excellent British writer, English writer. But the book was not about a couple in love or anything. It's about the hardship that an Arsenal fan goes through in a time where the team never wins. And it's a very, very interesting book. It's about being a fanatic and the downsides with that primarily. Look at the lather. Look at it. Just falls off the razor just the way we like it. We built that lather with no effort. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lather. Razor's doing okay. I've got a feeling it's not as good as a really good hollow razor, but it gets the job done, and be really interesting to see and feel what it's like on the second pass. Second pass, which for me is essentially with the grain, is the real test. I've said this many times. Very good. You know, after a pass like that, mainly with the grain, you're good to go. You're good to go to work. You're good to go to dinner. Now, for a hot date, you will want to do another pass. At least. To get to that smooth feeling. The brush, by the way, is again Grey Dog's Full Moon Synthetic. My go-to brush for trying out soap base for the first time. Okay, here we go. Rock and roll. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Not super smooth, but some razors aren't. Where's my alum? There's my alum. Why? One time out of 10, I remember to take it out of the box. Okay, going slow. To really get to know the razor. Sorry, very quiet today. Just concentrating. Yeah, so have you watched any of those movies, and what do you think? Have you read the book? So it's like a documentary book, if there's such a thing. Well, it's not like a book about World War II in terms of documentation, but it is very interesting. Nick Hornby, Fever Pitch. What was the movie Drew Barrymore was in? Was it Poltergeist? When she was 4 years old or something? I think that was her peak in terms of performance. Her acting skills have remained solidly at the same level since then. It's still raining. Only the farmers are happy. But we want to keep them happy. We do. It's supposed to be better tomorrow. God, I hope my arm is okay tomorrow. If it is, maybe I'll go and try out some golf clubs. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I know my son wants to go to a big golf place because he's interested in picking up a thing or two. Oh, it's not too bad. Well, okay. Rough, rough, rough. What's the weather like where you live? Are you enjoying good summer weather, or is it crazy hot like in Southern Europe, or crazy wet like in Northern Europe? Okay, standard procedure. No pickups. I'm not doing pickups anymore. I'm done doing pickups. Okay, let's see. See what it feels like. Very good, actually. Very good shave. And if you go back and watch the previous video with this soap, you'll see the lather was quite different. Shave is similar because the soap is so slick that in spite of an underwhelming lather, a thin coat, the shave is really good. Thayer's witch hazel. Shoulder. Extremely close. Yeah, almost perfect. That was good. I'm happy. I'll be using this razor more. Thanks for watching. You know, you are signs of God as well. Okay? See you around. Stay sharp.